Hello everybody, this is British Bangla blogger back again. This time I've got my little daughter with me. Hello. Hi.
Hi,
What's your name?
Eliza.
Okay, and so today Bob Betty, and father and daughter, we're gonna be making because we're feeling a bit sugar tooth, aren't we? Because we're locked down in the coronavirus. So what are we gonna make today then, Eliza?
Chocolate cupcakes.
Chocolate cupcake. We're gonna make this one. So let's go and see. Kitchen. Okay, as demonstrated by our lovely assistant Eliza, first thing you have to do is preheat the oven to 180 degree or 160 degree for a fan oven, guess Mark 4. So then mix into a mixing bowl and add the egg, water and oil. Using a whisk, mix to make a runny batter. Just like so, as demonstrated by our beautiful assistant Eliza. Using a teaspoon, divide the cake mixture evenly between the 10 cases. Scrap the mixing bowl to ensure you get all the mix in. Okay, now bake the cake for 10 to 12 minutes until firm to the touch. And afterwards, allow the cakes to cool. While the cakes are getting baked, it's time to make the chocolate icing sugar. Something smells wonderful. Let's see what's happened here. Wow, looks amazing. Okay, now spread or pipe a little of the chocolate buttercream on each cake and decorate with brightly colored sprinkles and frozen wafers. then enjoy. Best eaten freshly baked. Okay, it's done, it's finished. So, Eliza's gonna, what, have you made it then? Is it good?
Yeah.
Okay, let's have one. Let's try the first one. Open it up a bit.
You can have that.
Open up a bit. Let's have that. Have a bite.
That's a big one.
Mmm. That is amazing. For you. Thumbs up.
Good.